Hi everyone, James here. Today I'm going to talk to you about 3 of my favourite side dishes. I'm going to keep it nice and simple, things you can do really quickly and things that are quite versatile. They'll go with loads of different stuff. So first, we're going to cook some chorizo. Everybody loves chorizo, right? So we're going to fit the Ember grill at the back. It's a really handy bit of kit. Just gives you another extra layer to cook on. And we're going to take some of the chorizo and just chuck it in. We're just going to let that sweat a little bit to draw all the lovely sort of oil, really flavourful oil out of those chorizo. It's pretty hot back there, so we've got to keep them moving so they don't burn. Just when they start to sizzle, you know they're good. So now we're just sweating those onions down and just starting to leach out all that lovely oil, which is great. Yeah, we'll chuck in a few whole, just crushed garlic cloves, just bash them, make them nice and flat so they can release their flavour, throw those in. If you dice it, squish it up, the garlic, it will just burn. So it's better to throw them in whole, get the flavours through it, and then pull the whole garlic out later. It's a lovely colour, that kind of deep maroon, it's really nice. A little pinch of dried thyme. One of the reasons I love this so much is because it's so versatile. We've just got the onions and the garlic and the chorizo. And I've just thrown a few potatoes in there that were left over from the Sunday roast, but it's so versatile. You can put loads of stuff in it. It goes really well with purple sprouting broccoli, or if you just grilled some hispy, you could then pour it over the top. Its versatility is one of its strongest points. I just love it for that. So a little bit of olive oil, a little pinch of dried thyme. People get quite down on dried herbs. I quite like them, especially with barbecue, because you can just have them in little pots and add them as you need them. Dried thyme's great. Dried oregano I use loads. Dried sage is really good too. I think people can get quite, fussy and a little bit snobby about dried herbs, but if they taste nice, use them. They're just softening, those onions just softening. We'll cook the bass. Oh, dropped its head. We'll cook the bass that's going with it. Now, we'll put a little bit more oil on this lovely bit of fish. Just rub that in, and then it should roll towards us, just over the spine, nice and easy. There we go, beautiful. Okay, these are done. Just gonna pop those down there. We'll just use the Ember rake, slide the grill over so I can get at these ones. Open this up and drag all those nice, fresh embers down. So we're almost ready. Just it wouldn't be me cooking on a barbecue unless I burn a little bit of the lemon. So we've got a nice bit of sharpness as well, just on the fish. One of the beauties about this is just how little time it takes. So from beginning to end, this has taken me as long as it's taken me to cook the fish. So maybe 20 minutes. See, really beautiful bass. Just finish it off with a little bit of olive oil, final bit of seasoning, and a good squeeze of lemon. There you go. So simple and very, very delicious.